Yai khublei Yaka KJP Synod Pdeng Bapila yo Banlong ka Synod Bapura Da kajing Ayui khublei Ha kaju kapo Ngadap da kajing men Bangayo banmi khimat yaka Mizoram Synod Hakan kasngi sakin ma ringkat but itimen pesan silal duoma. May I request timen pesan silal duoma to stand and face his beautiful face to us. Itimen pesan silal duoma ilong uwe nakinong tre basinir hapo ka Pension and Provident Fund Department, jong ka Mizoram Synod Office. Reverend Moderator, sa sisien nga pinpaw ka jing nyungu, bat nga dabda ka jing kamin bangayo bandong rin kat batki, ha ka nikasngi sakin ma, ha ka history, jong ka KJP Synod Pdeng, bat kung juru ka PCI General Assembly. Nakin mau balathum Yaka KJP Synod Pdeng Haka arpusan tarik u September 2008 Haka balangkok se Bat ngalang uwe Nakinong kren Haka jingeseng sengi utray Hamadan football ha Pdeng Kajingjur jong uslap Munta Ngasngiyo bangade Ubadon bokba Bangayo bandon Habaro atli kesngi Sakin ma Kata jingtung Yaka Provident Synod Badru Kajingtung Yaka Synod Kabapura Ngaduwe Baublei Unyalam Unkirgu Yaka KJP Synod Pdeng Pakan nang ro Nang san Bat Nang ye Nakabo Sakabo Khublei Cebu. Reverend Moderator, as I mentioned, we the Mizoram Presbyterian Trust Synod heartily congratulate the KJP Synod Pdeng attaining a status of the full-fledged Synod on this day of inauguration. With your permission, Reverend Moderator, as a token of heartfelt congratulations and wishes, we'd like to hand over a small gift to the newly KJP Synod Pdeng. May I request the main person, Sidal Duoma, to come forward and hand over the gift to the moderator of the newly inaugurated Synod Pdeng. Khublei Cebu.